Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa mga tarot reading services, extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Okay? So, let's begin. Scorpio. Yung link para makapag-book kayo nasa description at sa pinned comment. Okay. Scorpio, what's up? Energies for you ngayong June 2024. June 2024 for Scorpio. Okay. Overall energy, the Wheel of Fortune. Wow. So this is leading to your destiny. Major shift, may pagbabago. Okay, ngayong June para sa inyo na kung saan kayo ay dinadala sa inyong nakatadhana, no? Nakatadhana na relationship, nakatadhana na career, na business. So there's a shift that is going to happen ngayong June for you. This can also mean na yung situation nyo nung mga nakaraan, like ngayong May, ay magbabago for the better. Okay? So, let's see your overall energy. Your overall energy is the Page of Pentacles. This is about your money. No? So, maaring focus mo ngayon how to grow your money, kung paano mo mas mapapaunlad ang iyong kaperahan, pagdadagdag ng bagong kaalaman. No? This can also mean learning new things, starting a new career or a business na kung saan mas magagamit mo yung skills mo, yung talents mo. Okay? So, let's see your challenge. You have the Chariot. As a challenge, I think, may mga bagay na gusto kang simulan na maaring napipigilan ka na gawin dahil sa takot or may mga pag-aalinlangan ka dahil iniisip mo na baka hindi mag-work for you. Okay? But the moment kasi na maging focus ka, maging sigurado ka sa gusto mo, at e-effortan mo yan, success is going to come to you and magkakaroon to ng progress, pag-unlad, no, sa iyong buhay. So, kailangan talaga malaman mo which path you're going to take. And I think magiging clear na rin yan sa'yo ngayong June. Okay? Your opportunity, you have the Two of Wands, partnership. Maaring meron kang makakasama sa mga projects mo ngayong June. This is also about travel opportunities. Maaring magpapalawak ka ng iyong kakayanan. You will add another ability, another skill. Halimbawa, magaling ka na web developer, ganyan. So, magdadagdag ka pa ng ibang kaalaman na makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad mo bilang web developer. So, pwedeng may aaralin kang bagong programming na course, 'di ba? So, example lang naman 'yan. It's about you na pagpapalawak ng kung ano yung meron ka na nasimulan mo. So, pwedeng may pagsasabayin ka na dalawang career, dalawang opportunity, dalawang source of income, and that will lead you to success, okay? Because the Six of Wands is about success, triumph, victory. So, kung yung iba sa inyo, dati, parang hinahayaan nyo lang na, merong yung mga tao sa paligid nyo sila yung nagiging maunlad, ngayon, palaban kayo, okay? At mas magiging competitive kayo in a healthier way, no? Maganda naman talaga kasi yung may competition, basta as long as it's healthy, wala ka natatapakang ibang tao, at nakafocus ka sa goal mo, dahil ikaw ay i-glorify, no? Ikaw ay marirecognize ng company mo, marirecognize ka ng mga taong nakasuporta sa'yo, and also you will get attention, a lot of attention ngayong June sa mga workmanship mo, sa craftsmanship mo, ano man yung iyong pinagkakaabalahan. Lalo na if you are in a community, let's say nasa social media ka, you are a content creator, people will appreciate whatever you are doing. Okay, so for your money, career, finances, you have the Ten of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, and the Devil. The Devil is about obsession. So, maaring may tendency kayo na maging obsessed sa trabaho nyo, sa finances, na sa pinagkakitaan nyo. Of course, anything na sobra ay hindi makakabuti. Okay? So, with the Eight of Cups, I think you're going to release something or ili-let go mo ang mga bagay na alam mong hindi na healthy para sa'yo. Yung mga habits mo, unhealthy habits sa trabaho, sa business, sa career mo, para mas lalo mong mapaunlad ang iyong finances. Let's say, ikaw ay medyo magastos nung nakaraan, so itong shift na to, major shift na to, ay tatalikuran mo na yung pagiging magastos. Or, kung meron kang mga unhealthy habits sa spendings mo, ayan, you will find control. Para ikaw naman maayos mo, ma-manage mo yung iyong finances. Some of you, pwedeng meron ditong may matatanggap kayong inheritance from your family, pwedeng tulong galing sa family ninyo na ibibigay na sa inyo yung parte ninyo sa mamanahin ninyo. Okay, so sa sa love life, okay, so you have the Seven of Swords, Seven of Cups, Temperance. Medyo nagkakalabuan. If you are in a relationship right now, I feel like you are trying to understand, no? Pinipilit mong maintindihan yung situation sa relationship mo, lalo na kung parang feeling mo detached na sa'yo yung person mo, or ikaw detached ka na sa person mo. Parang hindi mo na nararamdaman na ikaw ay inaalagaan. Maaring meron din ditong matuklasan na kalokohan na ginagawa ng person mo or someone who is close to you. Pwede itong romantic partner, pwedeng kaibigan, kapatid, kamag-anak na hindi honest, no? Hindi totoo sa'yo. I feel like you will try to understand bakit ganun yung ginawa, but eventually you will realize kung ano yung dapat mong i-let go. If you are willing na ayusin, pwede mong ayusin, pero meron ka ring pagkakataon na pumili, no? Kung ano yung sa tingin mo na dapat mong i-keep, hayaan, palagpasin, or i-let go. Let's see what else. You have the bee. Ayan. So, di ba yung mga bee, sila, masipag, no? Yung mga bubuyog. Masipag sila. Busy as a bee. So, you are going to be more focused at talagang meron kang gustong ma-achieve ngayong June. Whatever goal that is, like example, sales mo sa business mo or sales mo sa career mo. Let's say nasa marketing ka, sales and marketing. A type of viewership na tipong if you are nasa social media ka, gusto mo na maka-reach ng mas maraming views or magkaroon ng mas maraming subscribers, followers. So, I feel like you are going to work on it. Talagang tatrabahuhin mo yan. Because you want to be successful. You also have the crane. Ayan, itong crane is about longevity, commitment mo sa sarili mo, commitment mo sa trabaho mo, sa mga goals mo. Alam nyo, ang commitment, napaka-importante niyan na ingredient sa success. Kasi if you are committed, you are going to be consistent. 'Di ba? Magiging consistent ka to always show up para sa iyong trabaho, para sa iyong relationship. You also have scarab. Itong Scarab, napaka-swerte nito, no? This is also about giving second chances. Ability to heal. Okay? So, maaring merong person sa buhay mo na someone has failed you. Pwedeng may nanloko rito sa inyo, but I feel like yung iba, bibigyan nyo to ng chance. Siguro mas maintindihan nyo sa nanggagaling tong taong to, bakit nagawa niya yon. This is also about you reinventing yourself. It's like renewal. Pwedeng rebirth din to, pagbabago sa sarili mo, sa mga pwedeng physical appearance, sa styling mo, sa decision making mo, or even sa mindset mo. May magbabago. More mature. Breathe. The calmer you are, the more time slows down and the easier it is to get everything done. O, ayun, kalma ka lang daw. Kahit maging busy ka pa, importante na meron kang time to distress para makahinga-hinga ka. Oo. Let's see, ano pa. Move. A long walk is good for the soul. Get outside and allow Mother Nature to lift your spirits. Wow. So, yung iba sa inyo, mas madalas kayong lalabas, one with nature, mas gusto nyo ng peace of mind. Ayan, no, na kung saan mas makakahinga ka talaga. At yung, hindi lang basta makakahinga, gusto mo yung hinihinga mo ay fresh na hangin. Oo, that's why you will spend more time with nature. And then, you have decision. Ayan. So, like what I mentioned kanina, maaring meron kang decision making. Sometimes, the best decision is not no decision at all. So, maaring ito yung kailangan mong i-rethink, i-reconsider in making decisions, whether magbibigay ka ng chance sa isang tao o hindi. Just make sure na whatever decision na gagawin mo, you take responsibility. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye!